Hello and welcome everyone to the e-course on Kathak dance being offered by SWAMI Vivekananda Cultural Center, Embassy of India in Kazakhstan. I am Shruti Ghosh, the dance teacher. This is a foundational course on Kathak dance, which is a North Indian classical dance form. In this course, I will be teaching you the basic hand-leg movements of Kathak, the main rhythm and some short compositions. This is the second tutorial video. In the first tutorial video, I have demonstrated the main rhythm of Kathak, which is 3 tal and 3 hand movements. Today in this tutorial, we will continue with some more hand movements followed by some steps or leg movements of Kathak. Let us begin. This is the 4th hand movement at the count of 16 beats or 3 tal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First, the hand will open diagonally towards the right. Right hand up, left hand down. Then left hand up and right hand down diagonally. And then in a circle. Like this. Let us do with the rhythm. Tha, thin, thin, tha, tha, thin, thin, tha, na, tin, tin, ta, te, te, thin, thin, tha. This is the 4th hand movement. Let's try the 5th one. Again, we fold our fingers, elbows straight, shoulders straight, and we open our hands to the right and left. Dha, thin, thin, tha, dha, thin, thin, tha, na, tin, tin, ta, te, te, thin, thin, tha. First, the hands open horizontally like this to the right and to the left. Then diagonally, right hand, left hand, and left hand, right hand. Let's do with the rhythm. Tha, thin, thin, tha, tha, thin, thin, tha, na, tin, tin, ta, te, te, thin, thin, tha. This is hand movement number 5, and now the last hand movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 with the rhythm. Dha, thin, thin, tha, dha, thin, thin, dha, na, tin, tin, ta, te, te, thin, thin, tha. So these are the 3 more hand movements that we learned today. Total, we now have 6 hand movements. Let's move on to the leg movements. Hands are here. First, we move towards the right and then towards the left at the count of 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the right leg in front and left at the back towards the right. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 with the rhythm. Tha, thin, thin, tha, tha, thin, thin, tha, na, tin, tin, ta, te, te, thin, thin, tha. The first leg movement. Moving on to the next one, we go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we are making circles on the sides, first with the right leg, then with the left leg. With the rhythm, dha, thin, thin, tha, dha, thin, thin, tha, na, tin, tin, ta, te, te, thin, thin, tha. Now this is moving backward, now moving forward. Again with the count of 16 we begin. Right leg at the back, right, then right leg at the front, 2, then 3 and 4, and then 1 with the left leg, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we go like this, small steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. With the rhythm, tha, thin, thin, tha, tha, thin, thin, tha, na, tin, tin, ta, te, te, thin, thin, tha. And now the fourth movement. So the first one was towards the right and left going sideways, second was at the back, third was moving forward, and the fourth one in one place. We begin with right leg, 1, left leg, 2, right leg, 3, left leg, 4, again left leg, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, and tha, thin, thin, tha, tha, thin, thin, tha, na, tin, tin, ta, te, te, thin, thin, tha, and tha, thin, thin, tha, tha, thin, thin, tha, na, tin, tin, ta, te, te, thin, thin, ta. So these are the 4 basic steps of Kathak, and we have learned 3 hand movements. In the following tutorials, we will now start by learning short composition.